बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी वयस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़्दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली। रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा। Students, today our topic is solid shapes. What are the solid shapes? The shapes which occupies space, those are called solid shapes. We can hold them, and third thing, we cannot draw these shapes on the paper. Students, let's learn with an example. When you play snake and ladder game, you have a dice. Students, you can see our dice have 6 numbers on it, 1 to 6. These numbers are located by its dots. Student, when you put it on the floor, it takes some space and you hold it too. But you cannot draw all the 6 sides at once. You can draw only one side at once. Now you learn what I say, that these shapes we can't draw on the paper. You can draw only one of its sides, and its all surfaces are called its faces. It means you can only draw one face. Now we will learn about the shapes that are included in solid shapes are: number 1 sphere, number 2 cylinder, number 3 cone, number 4 cube, and number 5 cuboid. We will practice these shapes by watching around us many things and identifying their shapes. Today we will have some things to identify for you. First thing that I have shown you, your balls. Our first shape is sphere, and you can watch sphere shape is just like your balls. When you play with your ball, even it is cricket ball, volleyball or football, that all are of sphere shape. When you have some marbles at your home and you play with them, then you will also guess what shape they have. Yes, they also have the sphere shape. They are very little, but when you put on them, they also take some space. So students, our next shape is a cylinder shape. Cylinder shape is hollow from inside, but when we put these shape things on the floor or any surface, they take some space. We can also hold them, and we cannot draw all the sides of them on the paper. Here first thing we see in you are glass. Here we have many types of glass. You drink water in them. You can drink milk also in them. But when you put them on the floor or any surface, they take some space and you can also hold them. Okay students? So the shape of glass is a cylinder. Our next thing is dry cell. You have some toys at your home in which we use dry cells. So what the shape of your dry cell is? Yes, it is also a cylinder shape, and sometimes in your wall clock your mother will also use the dry cell. It is a cylinder shape. Our next shape is a cone shape. Yes, I know you guessed at first. The first thing that comes in your mind by watching the cone shape is very tasty and everybody loves it. And its name cone, we give it due to its shape. Here you can see we have a one part of it without ice cream. It is its shape, which is the cone shape. When we put some ice cream in it, we give it the name, yes, we give it the name cone ice cream. So you can learn the name cone ice cream is due to its shape. We give this name due to its shape. Our next thing is the birthday cap. If you go on some birthday party, you can see there are many shapes of birthday caps of many shapes. So you can select one of the cone shaped birthday cap and wear it and enjoy it and identify the shape. Next shape is the cube. Students, now we will watch around us and identify the things that are just of cube shape. What first thing that comes in your mind of cube shape? Can anybody tell me? Yes, we have learned it in our today lecture before this in identifying the solid shape. Yes, this is the dice. The dice is of a cube shape. I was told you it's a solid shape, but I don't tell you what type of shape is this. Now learn it is also of solid shape and cube shape. If anybody have an old TV in his home, then he can guess when he is watching TV what shape of TV is. Yes, your TV also has the shape cube. And next thing which come in your mind is a carton. Sometimes when you are going on picnic, you will pack some toys in it. And sometimes your mother packs some grocery in it. It is a cube shape. And sometimes in your birthday, someone gives you a present which is packed in just like this shape. So what shape is this? This is a present packed in a cube shape. Our next shape is a cuboid shape. Students, cuboid shape is in your things which you have in your bag. When you are studying on them and when you are writing on them, you can guess what thing is it. Yes, these are your books. You can read on them, you can write something on them. The books also have the cuboid shape. And students, our Holy Quran, which is our holy book, it also has the cuboid shape. Next thing is a matchbox. Students, playing with matchbox is very dangerous. Don't play with it, but only identify the shape by watching it. Okay, students, I hope you will learn all the solid shapes that I have told you. Practice them by watching around you and identifying them. Inshallah, we will meet in our next lecture. So take care of yourself and keep touch with your studies. Okay, students.